their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried... Hits one! Now, shot a goal! No messing about, just bludgeoned away. All the way back, and they start again. Manchester United have made a major appointment here. What's your take on it?
Look, he has a great reputation for bringing out the best in players, with the emphasis always on the team. As they say, it's going to be his way or the highway.
Still goalless at the moment.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Big chance!
Looking back on that, it was some save and potentially a big moment for the keeper and his team.
And the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Leno sends that a long way. Rashford. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. He's had a shot! Gets it upfield. Bruno Fernandes. Hits one!
That was going in.
Rashford battles to win it back. Yeah. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Rashford!
It's a reversible situation. As long as better defensive focus can avoid a second goal on the counter, they know they have the wherewithal to come up with what they need.
Manchester United come in, having established that lead. Again, where the narrative is, just in terms of the scoreline, so far so good. So we're just settling back into this second half.
Manchester United going well here, and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead. They don't have to overcommit, but they can place more emphasis on stretching their advantage. Shoot!
Hoists it forward. And now they can launch a counter.
How many interceptions have we seen?
He's gone for it! And the ball's come loose! And it's played forward. It's a Babia. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Vieira. Aubameyang, and Aubameyang! And yes, it's there!
We're in good position, and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two...
Real chance!
It's counter-attacking heaven.
Arsenal get themselves into the lead.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Beckham. What a Bruno Fernandes!
A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl. You know, Peter, from the moment it left his foot, it looked unstoppable. That was thumped.
Quite a thriller this one's become.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that
Goes for goal!
with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Maguire. Manchester United need to hold on for a few more moments. Bruno Fernandes. Nicely measured pass. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. And that's it. Manchester United have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A truly outstanding comeback by any. So many thanks to Jim.